Welcome to our roundup of the best 3D printers on the market. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional designer, or someone exploring 3D printing for the first time, these machines offer precision, speed, and versatility to bring your ideas to life. We've selected 5 top models that combine high performance, ease of use, and advanced features, from large format builds to smart auto-leveling systems. Stick around to discover the perfect printer for your needs, and check the description box below for the latest deals and product links. Let's dive in and find the ideal 3D printer for your workspace. The first on the list is the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max. The Cobra 2 Max is a powerhouse for creators who need large-scale printing without compromising speed or accuracy. Its massive 500 by 420 by 420 mm build volume allows you to create giant models or multiple smaller projects at once. The high-speed Core XY motion system ensures smooth, precise movements, allowing printing speeds up to 500 mm per second. Combined with the LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system, it guarantees consistent first-layer adhesion for flawless results. This printer features a dual-gear direct extruder and a 60-watt high-power hot end, supporting a wide range of filaments including PLA, ABS, and flexible TPU. Its dual-fan cooling system ensures layers solidify evenly, producing strong, high-quality prints. The intuitive 4.3-inch touchscreen and smart filament runout sensor make operation seamless, while setup is fast, letting you start printing in just a few steps. Overall, the Cobra 2 Max is ideal for creators seeking large-format printing with excellent speed, precision, and reliability. Next up is the FlashForge AD5X. The AD5X is perfect for users who value consistency, stability, and professional-grade prints. Built with a sturdy all-metal frame, it minimizes vibration and ensures smooth, high-quality output. The 220 by 220 by 250 mm build area gives enough room for most projects, while the auto bed leveling system and removable magnetic build plate make setup and print removal hassle-free. It employs a direct drive extruder and precision linear rails, which improve filament flow and enhance print accuracy. The printer supports multiple filaments, including PLA, PETG, and TPU, making it versatile for different applications. Its quiet operation, thanks to a silent motherboard and low-noise fans, is perfect for home or office use. Overall, the FlashForge AD5X is a reliable and versatile printer that's suitable for both beginners and seasoned makers who need consistent results and user-friendly operation. Next, we have the Anycubic Cobra S1AE. This printer takes automation and speed to the next level. It includes AI-powered leveling, which automatically adjusts the bed with high precision, eliminating manual calibration. The printing speed of up to 600 mm per second ensures fast production without sacrificing quality, while the direct drive extruder provides smooth and consistent filament flow, even with flexible materials. The Cobra S1AE also comes with an improved cooling design that prevents warping on large prints, keeping surfaces smooth and accurate. Its touchscreen interface is intuitive, and Wi-Fi firmware updates allow your printer to stay up-to-date effortlessly. Overall, the Anycubic Cobra S1AE is perfect for users who want fast, reliable printing with smart automation and consistent high-quality output, making it a great choice for both beginners and professionals. Coming up next is the FlashForge Adventurer 5M. The Adventurer 5M is a fast and reliable printer designed for both professionals and hobbyists. With printing speeds up to 500 mm per second, it's one of the fastest printers in its class, allowing you to complete projects quickly. Its dual-fan cooling system ensures smooth layer adhesion even at high speeds, and auto-leveling technology with a flexible PI magnetic plate makes setup and print removal a breeze. A standout feature is the quick swap nozzle system, which allows users to change nozzles in seconds for different filament types or resolutions. Its enclosed build chamber maintains consistent temperature, reducing warping and enhancing print quality with advanced filaments. Overall, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M combines speed, convenience, and professional-grade reliability, making it ideal for users who need high-quality results without complicated setup. The last one on our list is the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo AE. The Cobra 3 Combo AE takes 3D printing to a new level with multi-material capabilities. It features multicolor printing using Anycubic's Color Engine Pro, which can automatically switch between up to 8 filaments in one print. The 600 mm per second maximum print speed allows rapid output without compromising accuracy, and the LeviQ 2.0 auto-leveling system ensures flawless first layers every time. This printer also comes with AI-powered smart monitoring, including real-time error detection, filament tracking, and print failure alerts. Its direct drive extruder supports high-temp and flexible materials, while the upgraded hot end maintains stable performance for long or complex prints. Overall, the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo AE is a premium 3D printer that blends speed, automation, and multicolor capabilities, making it perfect for serious creators who want high-end performance and versatility in one machine. That wraps up our list of the best 3D printers. Each model brings its own strengths, from large format printing and high-speed performance to smart automation and multicolor capabilities. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional, these printers provide the reliability and features needed to take your projects to the next level. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides and product reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!